Hello. So I'm back with another video, and this time we're doing something a little bit different. I just dropped my baby off at school, so I'm actually about to head out. I need to go to Trader Joe's today, so I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're gonna do a Trader Joe's vlog and a haul. Hopefully they're nice and stocked up. It's 9:12, almost 9:15. I'm gonna run home. My husband said he wants to tag along, so I'm about to run back to the house, pick him up, and then we finna go to Trader Joe's. I'm trying to be at Trader Joe's no later than 10, because they get in there and they start swiping stuff and snatching all the good stuff up, and I really want the seasonal items. I heard that they have these things called griddles, basically so you can make your own griddle at home. Is really what I'm going for, and just to browse around and see what's out there. So yeah, that's what's going on. Do I want to get roses today? And the daisies. I don't know. Those are crazy. Hell. I think I found them. I think these would be pretty. This sounds good. Gingerbread sandwich cookies. Teeny tiny apple pies. That's a croissant apple cranberry tart. Shiloh did like the freeze dried mango. Oh, she does like this. This is really good. It's mango. Okay. These are dried oranges. These are really good too. This is going in the cart. Let's get about 2 of these.
Oh, I'm very grateful. I really don't feel
Trader Joe's haul was successfully unsuccessful. That's the best way to put it. The stuff I really went in there for, I couldn't get because it wasn't there. So I got like a bunch of filler stuff, which I'm not mad at, because like I don't go to Trader Joe's to grocery shop. I go to Trader Joe's to get like snacks for the house, and I go there to get like our freezer meals. So like stuff that when I don't feel like cooking, we'll already have stuff in the freezer that's easy to just like throw together and put together. And of course I get like my flowers from there. I like doing floral arrangements. So I'm a little sad, but when I get home I'll sit down and I guess I'll show you guys everything I got. So yeah, to the next stop, which is his house. Okay guys, I'm finally back home. I have all of my Trader Joe's goodies, and I'm going to open everything up with you since I'm about to put it in the freezer. So to get started, first things first, steamed pork and ginger soup dumplings. They are really good. I didn't get the chili oil to go with it though, so don't know what I was thinking there, but we will definitely come back to Trader Joe's because I also forgot some other stuff too. When I went, they didn't have all the items I wanted, because the seasonal stuff goes like that. People do not play at Uncle Tredarius Joe's, okay? So I had to get what I could. I got the butternut squash mac and cheese. Don't knock it till you try it. It's really creamy, really good. I always get their beef patties. They're not the best, they're not authentic, but they will do when you're in a pinch and you need some to, you know, it'll do. I also got this flatbread. I think it's the burrata, prosciutto, and arugula. It's really good. I always get their Indian freezer meals. I got the palak paneer, which is basically like spinach and paneer cheese, and it's like in this curry chili sauce. Of course, their butter chicken. Trader Joe's has the best freaking frozen Indian food. I think they're like the only place with frozen Indian food and it's actual meals. So I keep their garlic garlic naan in the freezer at all times, and I just go stock up on these and eat with it. And then I got some Cuban style bowls. Think like Chipotle. It has like this zesty citrus garlic lime sauce that goes on top, black beans, yellow rice, tomatoes, cilantro, grilled chicken. Really good. So let me pop these in the freezer and then I'll open up my other bag. Next bag, snacks. So they have this herb and olive oil popcorn. Really, it's herb and spices. Don't ask me the herbs, I just know I like it. Of course, if you're not eating seaweed, what are you doing? Good ass snack. It's good with ramen, it's good with rice, it's good with Chinese food, it's good with meat, it's good with everything. It's good to just have. So I get the teriyaki kind, to be specific. Really good. I love getting their dried fruits. My daughter in particular loves the freeze-dried mangoes. Those are really good. These are seasonal, okay? I should have bought like 3 packs. They are dried, sweetened orange slices. I put this in hot tea. I put this in lemonade. I snack on it. Just try it. That's all I can say is just try it. I didn't think I was gonna like it because I'm a texture sensitive person, but I ended up loving it, okay? And then I got a little something sweet. They had apple cinnamon buns. I really got this for my daughter. I like to surprise her with sweet treats after she's had a long day at school. I think it's like, you know, a good incentive for her. Let me see. Peppermint pretzel slims. Basically peppermint bark, but with pretzel pieces in it, so it has a little saltiness with the sweet. That's very good. Oh, these graham crackers, so freaking delicious, y'all. They're homemade. They got like cinnamon and honey in them. And Trader Joe's has this blueberry vanilla goat cheese. with the graham crackers. Take a slice, get you a graham cracker square, put the goat cheese, drizzle honey on top. When I tell you it's gonna taste like cheesecake, but the best cheesecake you've ever had, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Great combination. And lastly, I got my peach Bellini. This is too good, y'all. It's not the summertime, but during the summer, on a picnic, on a hot summer day, nice and chilled with the charcuterie board, the peach Bellini is delicious. And it has like bits of peaches in it, which, I mean, I like peaches, so I would hope you guys do too. I mean, unless you're allergic, that sucks. And then lastly, I got my flowers. I always get some type of floral arrangement from Trader Joe's. Well, I buy the stuff to make it and I make one. So I'm about to do my bouquet, which I'll probably just show you guys how I do it really quick, and that's it. My bouquet. It's not my best work. I'm gonna work on it some more off camera. But yeah, because I've never worked with what is this? With baby's breath before. I think it's adorable. That's the end of my Trader Joe's haul vlog. I will catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.